Hello guys, and welcome to the Crafty Alane channel. I am your DIY Pro Whitney here, and just want to introduce myself and say welcome to the channel. Here you'll find great videos, tutorials on things like home decor, do-it-yourself projects, gardening, family projects as well, party decor, a little bit of everything that we're offering here on the channel. It was created as a process of learning how to do things when I first had my first son, which was almost 13 years ago, and we call it a survival method turned into a passion. I didn't know how to do much, cooking, cleaning, all that I had to learn how to do. So in order to get through, and as we started having more and more kids, I learned how to get crafty and learn to do it myself. I learned how to garden, I learned how to do my yard, I learned how to sew, I learned how to make projects around the house, I learned how to work on different things with home projects, flooring, things like that. And I just wanted to show that, guys, and introduce that to you guys as tutorials and advice and tips of how a busy mom can do it, and how step by step that every day is a do-it-yourself project. And if you take your time to do a one project a day, you'll be amazed how much work you get done. So again, welcome to the channel, and hope to see you guys